Andre de Jong stepping up, sends the keeper the wrong way. It's Orlando Pirates that grab the lead here. And it's taken them 9.5 minutes. And it's business as usual. Now, they'll be loving this out in the stands. I can tell you there's a good number of fans that are still making their way into the stadium here that would have missed that goal from Andre de Jong. And you can see how much it means to him and his teammates here. Great team spirit out at Orlando Pirates. Throughout the campaign, we've seen signs of a team that very much is together. And, well, yeah, they support the new man who's made the difference, involved in the build-up that led to the penalty, with Apollos being brought to ground, then stepping up and sending the keeper the wrong way. Perfect opening 10 minutes, not only for Andre de Jong, but Orlando Pirates on the whole. OJ is now for TTM to show what they can do in the fight back.